Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happening in the world of business. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica reported that for February 2024, the point-to-point inflation rate was up by 6.2%. That is 1.2 percentage points lower than the prior point-to-point inflation rate. However, for the month of February 2024, the inflation rate itself was down by 0.6%. The upward movement in all items between February 2023 and February 2024 was mostly related to increases in the divisions of food and non-alcoholic beverages, transport, and restaurants and accommodation services. The main contributor to the growth in the index for food and non-alcoholic beverages divisions was the food group, which was influenced by vegetables, tubers, plantains, cooking bananas, pulses, owing to higher prices for agricultural produce such as yam, Irish potato, tomato, cabbage, and carrot. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited for the year ended December 31, 2023 reported a 16% increase in revenue to US $75.20 million relative to US $65.01 million in the corresponding period last year. The increase in revenue was due to greater levels of traffic over the previous year, in addition to movements in the toll tariff, which is reviewed annually. Net profit for the quarter amounted to US $6.39 million relative to a net loss of US $11.28 million in 2022. Jamaica's tourism sector remains bullish on achieving its ambitious 555 objective, aiming for US $5 billion in earnings, 5 million tourist arrivals, and a series of key performance indicators over a targeted 5-year period ending in 2025. Despite global challenges like inflation and labor shortages, the sector has shown resilience, already surpassing expectations with over $1 billion in revenues since the beginning of the year. Discussions with Saudi Arabia for investment opportunities are ongoing, with potential investments anticipated by 2025 and 2026. Additionally, the start of commercial flights to Ian Fleming Airport is expected to further stimulate the local economy, with American Airlines expressing satisfaction and potential plans for increased frequency based on demand. During trading on March 20, 2024, the top advancing stocks covered the insurance and finance sectors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Key Insurance Company Limited shares advanced by 13.72% for a 31-cent jump to close at $2.57 with 500 shares traded. Mayberry Group Limited shares advanced by 13.37% for a 94-cent price movement to close at $7.97 with 885 shares traded. Cygnus Credit Investments Limited US dollar shares advanced by 13.28% for a 1-cent shift upward to close at US 9 cents with 1,934 shares traded. On the declining stocks that traders experienced on March 2024, the top 3 losers covered the technology, healthcare, and finance distribution sectors. Productive Business Solutions Limited 9.75% cumulative redeemable shares declined by 12.45% for a 14.94 drop in price to close at $105.05 with 14 shares traded. G West Corporation Limited declined by 12.24% for a 12-cent price drop to close at 86 cents with 24,029 shares traded. ISP Finance Services Limited declined by 10.62% for a $3.34 downward price movement to close at $28.10 with 55 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on March 20, 2024, registered a volume of 936,207 shares crossing the floor of the exchange valued at Trinidad and Tobago $2,258,923.61. JMMB Group Limited was the volume leader with 761,747 shares changing hands for a value of TT $1,153,942.27, followed by NCB Financial Group Limited with a volume of 91,965 shares being traded for TT $294,288. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On March 20, 2024, Bank of Jamaica reported that US $21.9 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $15.5 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $154.99 and bought the US dollar for $153.34. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.65, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $6.66 from transactions at the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $116.50 and bought for $109.84. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $6.75, selling it for $199.25 and buying it for $192.50. For our credit report tip of the day, knowledge is power, especially in the realm of personal finance. Take advantage of the plethora of resources available to enhance your financial literacy. From online courses and books to podcasts and seminars, immerse yourself in the world of financial education. Understand that factors influence your credit score, learn about effective money management strategies, and stay informed about your rights and responsibilities as a consumer. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.